So I decided to, research and experiment more about psilocybin, what it does to our brains, how it helps grow, repair, reconnect, neuroplasticity is built, all type of things, and started really learning more about people who were receiving relief essentially from depression. So I s- and anxiety, and just kind of through self exploration, felt comfortable taking larger doses. And had my first mystical experience, which was completely life changing and profound. I had connected with my grandfather, who told me I am no longer crying tears of sadness. I was crying, I guess, that I was crying tears of happiness because of my healing journey and the ability to not be drinking. And it was, about 8 months after the no alcohol. And it was just this overwhelming sense of, um, I'm okay, everything's okay.